curlies. I'm on a hunt to find my doll head. Here's one. Here's two. Here's three. We're all looking like we feel the way we wake up in the morning, right? Y'all, this is Dancho. Dancho, Mary Lou, and Mama. So on all three of those dolls, we're gonna be using the same thing. So I've got some Color Awakening hair bath. I'm gonna be using some hydrating cream conditioner. Okay, new setup. We've washed your hair. Now we're going to go ahead and start conditioning. As you can see, I'm clipping up the top part of her hair around from temple to temple so we can make sure we condition through the sides and the bottom really well before we start working on the top. You see it's not perfect as I turn her head all the way around, and with each person's head it won't look the same, it'll look a little bit different, but it doesn't have to be perfect. As long as you get that top section clipped up, you're ready to work on the bottom. With the hydrating cream conditioner, because it is so thick, you do want to make sure you emulsify it into your hands. This will soften it up so it's easier to apply throughout the hair. After that, we're going to go ahead and glaze it on through the ends to help distribute the product throughout the hair. Something to keep in mind, if your hair is not wet enough, working conditioner in is going to be very difficult, so you do want to make sure you do have enough water in your hair, and that'll make distributing it a lot easier. In the shower, you're going to go ahead and tilt your head to the side just like this and just work the conditioner in throughout the hair kind of the way I am. I fast forwarded this so I can get through it a little bit quicker, but really making sure you do take the time to work that conditioner in. Once you're done working through the sides, we'll go ahead and start working on the back, working the conditioner into the hair. Then you'll turn your head over to the other side and start working on the other side, making sure you work the conditioner in through the sides and then the back as well. You can work through both the sides and the back at the same time. You don't necessarily have to part. I do feel like parting makes it easier to know what you've already worked on, but you can do the sides and the back at the same time if you really want to. Now I'm going to show you both sides. On this side, I did take the time to work the conditioner in. I parted her off and worked it in really well. You can see those beautiful ribbons of curl throughout her hair. On this side was a quick condition, kind of like what we would normally do in the shower if we're in a hurry or don't want to really take the time to work the conditioner in. So on the left side, you can see that the hair, because it was worked in so quickly, is a little bit frizzier. On the right side, it is a lot smoother. There is less frizz on the right side. I've gone ahead and unclipped the top. As you guys can see, we're going to work the top into 3 sections, 1, 2, and 3. If you feel like the hair is either too dry or too saturated with product, go ahead and add a little bit of water. If you do have too much water, there's nothing wrong with going back to add a dab of conditioner. Dollies have been sitting overnight inside my bathroom, and we're gonna go check them out and see what they look like. Here they are. You can see those casts are beautiful. Look at those. I can't reach. And she's 100% dry. I used I Create Hold on all of them. So my setup. And this is the dolly I was working with most of the time. You can see her hair. Is it dry? It's dry. It's crunchy and dry. Thank you for watching my video. I've got a lot of really great content coming up. If there's anything you guys would like to see, let me know. Thanks!